Hello beautiful people, from here, from there and from everywhere. This is LezAma. Hola, ¿qué tal gente bonita? De aquí, de allá y de acullá. Aquí LezAma. One more time, I'm here to show you this project, which is kind of the same going on with my theater, but this time I have a little teeny change, which you are already seen it. And the change is that I just add some sparkles. I have no idea how do you call this in English, but anyway, they have these little teeny pieces which are shiny metal, and then I have my small pieces of my leftovers, as I mentioned to you previously, and like this one and this one. So I already and this too. Those are the ones, and I already have doing the sewing because I do need to do it previously. In this case, you saw me before, so you have an idea what's going on. And look at this one, it's kind of crooked, but I guess it's okay because life is not always straight. Life definitely has its turns around and its curves and its straight lines, and I mean, it's the way it is our life. So this is what it is too. And so all of them are done and finished. So let's go and see if we can fill inside. I have only two kinds of those little sparkles. I only have these, which are what, black, kind of black, bluish, a little teeny or something's white, and I have this one which is yellow, and yep, that's it, and nothing else. Let's go and see those and put those ones. And this one, maybe we should put the yellow. Okay, should go inside instead of outside. Okay, there. And perhaps, maybe, let's choose first the pieces that we want to put inside. Maybe this one. Okay, let's go and choose that first. Okay, let me see if when we get into this, digging into this. Let's see. I need to get the pieces so we know what's going on. Something like this. So we had this, and this, and this. Perhaps, okay, with this one, it has to be something very little teeny, small. What can we have here? Oh, we can try to put this little circle, which the point is the circle is about the same color, so it will kind of loose. Or maybe this little teeny piece of a lace that I have here. Let me see. Let's go and see if we can put this one there. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So I think that is good, because we cannot put too many things inside. So now, what about if we add this? Or what about if we do add, let me see, we have to kind of look here. We have this heart. Okay, or what about this shape? That looks good. Okay, this one's definitely, they are out of it. They are too big. Unless we add this. let's see what else we have. Small pieces. Well, this one, this other flower, we can put the I think okay. You know what, I don't think I had too many small little teeny pieces here. Pretty much are kind of medium size. Let me see if we see something else. Then maybe only this, maybe this. Okay, let's go and see. I think this will be quite a lot of huge contrast. Maybe that one will be there. What do you think? Black will be there. It's a nice contrast. Maybe. What about if I put this? No, it's not going. I think I like that one. Yes, I think I'm going to do that one. So, okay, let's go and see that one. That is, it fits in here because I didn't get left much big, you know, space to put the elements. So if it fits in there, we'll put it there. If you know, okay, have to kinda let's see if it works. Okay, come on, go. Okay, it did it. Okay, did it. Yes. All right, that's it. So now we are going to add yellow because definitely we could not add the black one. It would be nice if we had green, or yeah, green. That would be perfect. But anyway, it's not there. So okay, so that's it. Let's go to see another one. What about this one? Do we want this shape, or do we want the heart shape? The heart shape kind of looks nice, but let me see. What about this one? In here. Maybe I should put that heart. You know. Okay, you know what? I think I like to more the other heart, which is this one. I think I like this heart better. But has a little teeny hole. I don't know why it has a little teeny hole. So, oh, this one. This one. Yes, I think I like that one. So let's go and might as well put it now. Oh. Okay. Let me see. Oh goodness, I think I'm gonna have trouble here because for some reason I moved the tool too far away from the edge. I might going to have a little bit of trouble here. Do I? What if I? Okay, so let's go and see first this one here. Let's go put that one there, and then I will solve the problem later. So, and let's go and add some of this too. Oh, what happened? Now I cannot move it. Can you believe that? That's not good. I'm supposed to have the chance to move it. I'm supposed to have the chance to move it. Okay, so there. Yeah, it is. Okay, well, you know, what I'm going to do now, because the issue is there. The tool is definite, no filling the other part. I didn't realize that. I might add a little bit of tulle. I might have to add some tulle and see if it works. You see, that's the problem. I did put my little piece of my little tape. I was thinking, oh yes, I can do it. And now I realize that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Yeah, I think if I do it like that, it won't be noticeable, and probably will hold. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, let's go and do it like that. That's it. I'm not going to work anymore with that. And let's see if we have something nice here. It is kind of nice, but I don't know. I don't have too many elements here, as you can see. Maybe I should, no, I don't. I was thinking maybe I should. Okay, what about this one? I like that one. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. We got it. Okay, perfect. Now, let's go and put it. Okay. Now it needs to go there inside. Oh, you see, that's the part that that's what I'm thinking. There's always the part that is kind of a little bit hard because, you know, the tool, obviously. But, well, that's not impossible. Is there maybe, let me see if I like that one, actually. I think I like this one. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can do something here. Okay. Okay, perfect. And this one, I'm gonna put the black. Okay, let's go and try and put the black. Oh goodness. You know what? Then go inside. It went outside. That is the beauty of life, you know. Things don't want to go inside. Don't want to go wherever you want them to go. They want to go in their own way. They have mind of their own. Yep. That's for sure. Mind on their own. So let's try one more time and see if I can achieve. I'm not going to say we, because it's me. I'm not going to blame to you. That's my own fault. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this one more time and see if it works this time. Okay, so let's go and see if it works. Okay, let's go and see if it works. Come on. Come on, little ones, go there. You're gonna be happy in that world. Yes, it did go. Okay, so now, okay, yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe it would have been better if I had glued this part. But no, the point is to leave them loose. Okay, now we have all them together. And let's go and do our sewing. But before I leave, I might as well cover these things, because you never know, I might move something wrong and then all this little sparkle will jump all over the place. And definitely I don't have 1,000 years to find them for sure, unfortunately. Well actually I should say I don't have 5,000 years. I just hope that I have only 1,000 years at least. But 1,000 years that I have, I definitely wanted to use in a different way than pick up little sparkles all over the place. So I'll be back and see you around. We are back and we are going to keep going with our project. As you can see, here are the pieces that I created before all this, and these are the pieces that we were working that you saw before. Here are then finished. I will show you this one, maybe a little close up with the little teeny rectangle of the music and the flat pieces. This one too, which is the one I had to fix it because unfortunately for some reason the tool moved and I was not feeling the whole punch circle. But anyway, let's fix it now. And this is the other one. And this is the last one. Okay, I think that's it. And hope you come back for our next project. And till next time. Y les ama.